Hey, welcome to today's video. It is sexy and strong toned arms and back after age 50. If you scroll on social media or spend any time doing research with anything menopause and postmenopause, you are hearing about the importance of weight training and resistance training. I am here to tell you it can be so simple as a couple of hand weights in the comfort of your home. You don't need an expensive gym membership. All you need is the will and the determination to do it. I get asked a lot about my arms and my shoulders, how I train, what I do. It is so simple and so basic that I'm really excited to share it with you. Of course, I do these types of exercises along with yoga, along with long 3-mile walks. You know, it's a process and it's a project. I like to think of it as that, but resistance training at our age needs to happen at least 3 to 4 days a week. It needs to be fun, enjoyable, challenging. What are we trying to do? We're trying to grow our muscle. We're trying to increase our bone strength. We're trying to prevent fractures and bone density issues, mobility. All of these things are so important. So it's not just about look and cut. It's about having a great quality of life as we age. But look, let's face it, we are visual. We do like to see the results. And I'm a believer that seeing results helps to keep you in the game even more. With that being said, I can't talk about weightlifting and exercise without just focusing a little bit on nutrition. It is the only way you will see results. I learned a long time ago by people in the fitness industry that what you eat is 90% of how all of your efforts are going to show. So clean eating and having discipline there will really lead to this beautiful marriage and pairing between what is going in your body with food, what is happening with your body in terms of muscle growth and definition, and how you are seeing the results of that. But I'm here to show you today that if you want some nice sculpted arms, I have 5 exercises for you. I have 1 pair of dumbbells that I will be using. We're going to do 10 reps of each, and we're going to do 3 sets of these 5 exercises. And I'm going to breeze through all 5 of them. That's a set. And then we're going to take a 1-minute break after each set just to drink some water. But you're going to feel your heart is pumping through this as well. It is quick, it is simple, and my friend, you can do it. So are you ready? Good. Here we go. I've got 10-pound weights. Before we start, I'm going to encourage you at the very, very lightest. Start with 5-pound weights, the very lightest. Again, we want our muscles to strain. We want this to be challenging. So from 5 to 8 on the low side, these are 10s. These are medium to heavy. Some of you may be up to 12, and some of you boss gals can be doing 15-pounders. If you find that 10 reps is easy, you will eventually work up to 12 reps. And then if 12 reps becomes too easy, then it's time to bump it up in weight. Okay, so we're going to start with the largest muscle group in our upper body, and that is our back. What I love about these bent over back rows is that you are working not only your back, your lats, you're also getting some bicep work in there. So the form on this is really important. So I'm going to bend to the side here just so I can show you. Your feet are going to be hip distance apart, have a slight bend in the knee, and you're going to bend over. Your back is nice and straight. Arms are going to go forward, and you're literally going to row. That's 1. This is slow and deliberate. 2, keep your back straight. Head up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should feel this in the back. You shouldn't feel any strain anywhere else. Next up, we're going to move into bicep curls again. Feet hip distance apart, palms facing forward. We're going to curl our biceps and bring our arms straight up, elbows tucked in and down. This is slow and deliberate. You notice I'm not flinging weights around. So 2, 3, 4, get some nice cuts in the arm this way. 5, arms parallel. The tendency is for the arm to start swinging up like that. Keep it nice and locked in. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Be careful also not to use your back as momentum with that one. Okay, so now overhead shoulder presses, targeting the shoulder. Arms out wide, elbows parallel to the ground. The tendency is to want to sink them down. We want to keep them parallel. Now we're just going to take our shoulders and our arms straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The slower you go, the more you're going to feel it. Next, we're going to work our tricep. Yes, that fun little muscle that we women need to develop a little bit more so we don't get the wings when we wave goodbye. So, arms locked in to the side, elbows up. Arm, elbow will not move. We're just doing straight kickbacks for 10. 1, bend at the knee. 2, 3. You're going to find this challenging. 4, at a higher weight. 5, 6, 7, head straight. 8, 9, and 10. I saved the best and the most challenging for last. This is the crossbody front raise. This is an opportunity for us to develop our chest and pec muscles along with this really cool area right here on the front part of the shoulder that can get some really nice cuts and definition along with the pectoral muscle. You may need to lighten up on weight with this one, maybe so. If this is too heavy, cut it down to 8, try to build up to 10. So the arm's going to be out front like you're doing a bicep curl, slight bend in the elbow, and now we're going to cross. 1, 1, not too high. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Try not to swing your body. Keep your torso straight. 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. Okay, congratulations. Put your weights down. That was our first set. Shake it out. Get some water. We need some water. We have targeted our entire upper body. You should feel achy at this point. You should be thinking, how am I going to squeeze out 2 more sets? Yes, my dear, you will. Probably noticed the abs are fully engaged when you're doing this type of workout. To be able to have proper form means that you are locking yourself in, both abs and back, to keep you nice and tight. So this is a great core workout as well. So don't think that you're negating this part of your body as you work upper body. The more you tighten, the more you lock, the more you control and concentrate, the better of a workout your whole body is going to get. And as I've mentioned before, the better form equates to a prevention of injury. Okay, so are you ready for round 2? I know I am. All right, so we're going to start with the biggest muscle group, as we said, the back and the back rows. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Get into place. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Overhead shoulder presses. 1. Get the weights to just barely touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Tricep kickbacks. Y'all are looking good. Nice and tight. 1, 2, back straight. 3, chin up. 4, 5, 6, arms in place. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the chest. Here we go. Crossbody front raises. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. Woo, these are tough. I know it. 10, 10. Okay. Oh, we've earned the break. Earn the break. Shake it out. Grab some water. Oh yeah, you guys are doing amazing. You feel the difference with heavier weight than lighter weight, don't you? You feel the fatigue, the muscles are achy, breath, you're having to catch it. That's good. That means you're doing it right. Again, try to prevent strain. A big issue when doing upper body exercises, make sure you are not shrugging your shoulders, tightening up the neck and the traps, or else you will have chronic neck and shoulder pain there. Try to keep that area as loose as you possibly can. Don't use that to compensate for what the arms or the shoulders need to do. I feel we are winding down with our cool down. One more to go. Just kind of stretch out your arms if you need to. It is intense, but it's good. Okay, here we go. Starting with the back row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bicep curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am feeling it. 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll feel one arm stronger than the other. Shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Tricep kickback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, crossbody front raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Oh, that felt good. Okay. Drop the weights. Take another sip of water. If you can hold your canister. You will notice how challenging it gets by set 3. You will notice when you separate movements how one arm is much stronger than the other. Right arm stronger for me. It's an opportunity to develop when you do individual. You can even do individual bicep curls, by the way. All of those things are amazing to help balance you and strengthen you. And yeah, you should be out of breath. Your arms should feel like they're gonna fall off your body. That is a great feeling. It means you challenged them, you worked them, you worked your entire upper body. We did it quickly. We did it with, in this case, just one set of weights. If you have to start with a couple, again, have a couple. They're so easy and affordable. You can get them from Amazon. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's quick upper body workout. If you would like something for lower body, let me know. I have exercises that I do at home to target my quads, my glutes, hamstrings, the whole nine yards. So, and it's as simple as this. I just want you to feel like exercise is approachable. I want you to feel like you don't have to leave the house, go spend money on a membership. I don't know what to do. I don't want to go. I don't want to be seen. No, this is just you seeing you. This is just you in the comfort of your own home deciding that today is the day. Today is the day I matter. Today is the day this vessel that I have been gifted with matters, that I'm going to care for it. I'm going to move. I'm going to lift. I'm going to eat healthy to accommodate this body so that I can have as long of a life as I possibly can, feeling comfortable and good in my skin as I possibly can. This is about years down the road. Yeah, sure, nice to look fit, but honestly, this is about later. This is about when we're in our, many of you, 60s, 70s, 80s. How is that life going to be? What kind of quality life are we going to have? Are we going to be able to run around, scoop up our grandchildren or great-grandchildren, get in and out of cars, be able to get luggage? How mobile are we going to be? How sharp are we going to be? How strong will our bones be? Our heart? This is what we're doing today. This is why we're starting today. And this is why it's so stinking easy to be able to do it. I'm here to accommodate this. You know what? And I say this, there are women out there online who have way better bodies than me with way more cuts and are way more devoted to this. I will say this, I am not an expert in all things, but I'm a student in everything. And so anything I bring to the equation here on this platform is simply because I've taken the time to study it and to do it. Sure, there are people better than me. Sure, there are people who know way more than me, but clearly this is a part of my life and I'm happy to share what I know. And if it helps you in any way, then I think that's great. I think we all have wisdom to impart. We don't have to be certifiable experts to have something to be able to give somebody. So if you have knowledge in any particular area, share it, give it, don't gatekeep, make somebody's life better, enable them. That's why we're here. At least that's what I believe. I think that's why God put us here as well, to love one another and to be able to share and give. So as I always say, be bold, be blessed, be so strong, be healthy, and I will see you next week.